This video will provide a brief introduction to Diigo so that you can start saving and organizing your websites easily. When you first log on to Diigo with your free account, you'll be taken to your library, where Diigo automatically saved 2 bookmarks for you that provide helpful information. Your saved websites appear in a list in the center. You can save websites, and as you can see with this icon, this saved item is a PDF that exists online. To view one of the items in your list, you simply click on it. This is a PDF from Common Sense Education, helping students understand misinformation on the web. And then click the back arrow to go back to your list. On the left-hand side of your screen, you have your list of tags. What appears are those tags that occur most frequently in your list of websites. For example, I've tagged 28 different items with the tag PLN15. Likewise, I've tagged 10 items that have something to do with research. To view all of your tags, simply click on All Tags at the bottom of the screen. The more tags you add to an item when you save it, the easier it is to find it at a later time. If I want to, for example, read all of the articles that I've saved that have a connection to the brain, I simply click on the word brain. There are 8 articles. And I can find everything that I've saved that has connection to the brain and learning. This item looks a little different, and that's because the phrases underneath the article, a fit body means a fit mind, are those things that I've highlighted or annotated in the article. We'll talk a little bit more about that later on. Also, to the right of each item, there are 3 dots. You can edit a particular item. I could add a description. I could add additional tags if I wanted to. I can make this private so that others can't see it. I can also share to a group. I can share this to PLN15. This is what you'll be doing as we work through the doing in this module. You'll be asked to save several websites to our group and save. Other things that I can do are get a shareable link to post on a website or on social media. I can email it, or I can share it from a group right here. Okay, let's get started saving a website. If you've installed the web extension using Chrome, it'll look like this, and you'll have a D in the upper right-hand corner. We're going to take a look at Kathy Schock's online tools. She has a fabulous guide to links to an amazing list of online tools, and we're going to save this to come back to it later. If I have the Diigo extension, I simply click on it and I can save the bookmark. I can add a description. There are some recommended tags. I can share to a group and save it. However, most likely your students will not be able to install the Diigo extension on the school computers, in which case they would work back and forth between 2 tabs. They would keep their Diigo library open, and of course a tab for whatever they're researching at the time. I'm going to click on the plus sign. I have several options. I can add a bookmark, I can add an image, I can add a PDF, or I can add a note. This is a blank note that you save online. It could be taking notes in class, it could be lists of things, it could be an outline for a report. going to click on Kathy Schrock, copy the web address. I'm going to add a bookmark and paste in the address. Click Next. I can add a description as I like. And tags. I know she has links to different presentation sites. She has sites for students to collaborate online. She has options for creating ebooks, sites for infographics. Now notice as I type, some of the words are appearing at the bottom. This is because I've used these tags before in other websites that I've saved. Again, I can share this to a group. Share it to PLN 15 and add it. And here's my site that I just saved. This is the web address. These are the tags that I've added. I can see that it belongs to the group PLN 15, and I've described it as a comprehensive list of online tools. If I'd like to see by groups what websites have been saved, I simply go to My Groups at the top of the screen, choose PLN 15. If you have not yet, you'll receive an invitation to join this group. And these are the things I wish to share with everyone in our PLN 15 online course. You'll be asked to save websites to this group, as I mentioned earlier, and you can tell who shared this particular item because it's listed. That's it for this video. In the next short video, I'll share how to annotate on websites and PDFs in Diigo.